Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Soft Skills. My name is MD Shabab Alam. Introduction to Soft Skills. As the name suggests, our goal isn't just to provide knowledge, but to help you build a better personality. With this in mind, we are launching course on our channel. The first is a computer basic course. If you are new to the world of computers, this course is perfect for you. We will cover the fundamentals of using a computer and essential applications like Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, along with internet and email basics. Our mission is to help every student get ready for a brighter future. For more information about our courses, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that the video reaches you first. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.